The screen fades in on a quiet apartment at 2 a.m. A phone glows. Notification, paycheck deposited, $3,200. Then another, rent due in 3 days, $1,950. Groceries, utilities, car payment. The math hits like a slow punch. Most of your money is already spoken for before you even spend it. You've worked 50 hours this week, and you're still one emergency away from zero. That's not broke. That's the modern trap. And the people selling Quit Your Job in 90 Days courses, they know it. They count on it. That's not broke. That's the modern trap. And the people selling Quit Your Job in 90 Days courses, they know it. They count on it. But here's the part no one says out loud. Real passive income almost never starts passive. It starts small, messy, and active, while you still clock in every morning. The ones who actually build it don't quit their jobs first. They build beside the job until the math flips. Let me show you how that happens, step by step, without the hype. First, understand the game you're in right now. Inflation's been chewing at wages for years. In 2025 surveys, the average side hustle pulled in around $800 to $1,100 a month. But the median? Just $200 to $400. That gap tells the story. A few people hit 5 figures. Most scrape a couple hundred after months of effort. The difference isn't luck, it's choosing streams that compound instead of cap out. So start with the lowest barrier, highest realism options in 2026. No 6-figure real estate empire on day one. No viral app nobody asked for. Option 1, high yield savings or dividend index funds. Sounds boring, it is. But boring wins long term. Put $5,000 into a high-yield account at 4 to 5% APY right now. That's $200 to $250 a year doing nothing. Small, but scale it. Add $200 from each paycheck. In 5 years, compounding turns it into real momentum. Or go stocks, S&P 500 dividend ETFs, average 1.5 to 2% yield plus growth. Historically, 7 to 10% total return annually. Start with $100 per month through an app. No day trading, no timing the market, just consistent buys. The uncomfortable math: to replace a $60,000 salary passively at 4% safe withdrawal, you need about $1.5 million invested. Most people never get there. But $500 per month passive from a $150,000 portfolio? Achievable over 10 to 15 years if you start now and keep your job. The irony? The get-rich-quick crowd mocks index funds. Meanwhile, they're the ones still grinding because their crypto bet didn't moon. Next level, digital products. This is where effort front-loads hard, then fades. Create something once. Ebook, printable planner, spreadsheet template, Notion pack, and sell it forever. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip take pennies per sale. Pick a narrow pain point, not make money online. Something like Freelancer Invoice Tracker that auto-calculates taxes if you're in that world. Or meal prep templates for night shift workers. Upfront, 20 to 50 hours writing, designing, testing. Then, upload, write a decent listing, share on Reddit or LinkedIn once. Sales trickle in. Top realistic earners hit $500 to $5,000 per month after a year of stacking products. But most, $100 to $300 per month after 6 months. Still beats another streaming subscription. The hidden mechanic: SEO and algorithms do the selling while you sleep. One Pinterest pin from 18 months ago can drive sales today. Absurd when you think about it. A stranger in another country pays you because a search engine decided your $7 template solves their Tuesday headache. Then there's content: blog, YouTube, niche newsletter. This one's polarizing because everyone tries and most quit. Reality: it takes 6 to 18 months to see traction. Write 50 articles optimized for search, or upload 30 faceless videos answering specific questions. Monetize with affiliates, ads, sponsorships. Affiliate marketing alone is a $18+ billion industry. Promote tools you actually use, software, books, gear, and earn 5 to 50% commissions. A realistic timeline: months 1 to 6, $0 to $50. Year 1, $200 to $800 per month if consistent. Year 2 plus scales to $2,000 plus for the top 20%. The rest? They post 3 times and wonder why nothing happened. Contrast the hype. Gurus promise 6 figures in months. Truth: the median creator earns almost nothing, but the ones who treat it like a second job, while keeping the first, eventually cross the line where income outpaces effort. Rent what you already own. Car on Turo in a busy area. $500 to $1,000 per month net after fees and wear. Spare room on Airbnb? Similar, minus the cleaning. Parking spot in a dense city. $200 per month passive. Low startup. But maintenance creeps in. Repairs, guests, regulations. It's semi-passive. Still beats leaving cash idle. Vending machines or ATMs in high-traffic spots. $300 to $1,000 per machine monthly once placed. Upfront costs $2,000 to $5,000. Scout locations, stock, collect. Scales if you reinvest profits into more units. Peer-to-peer lending or REITs for real estate exposure without owning property. Lend $1,000 through platforms at 6 to 10% returns. Risk of defaults exists. REIT dividends average 4 to 6%. Start small, diversify. The broader picture: stacking matters more than any single stream. One guy starts with $50 per month dividends, adds a $7 digital product that sells 20 times a month, layers affiliate links in a growing blog, rents his car weekends. Year 3, $1,500 to $3,000 per month total, still at the day job. But the job feels optional now. The tension builds here. As income grows, taxes bite harder, platforms change rules, markets dip. Burnout hits if you push too fast. And the biggest risk? Lifestyle creep. That extra $800 becomes new subscriptions, upgrades, dinners out. The money vanishes before it compounds, so the real question isn't which idea, it's whether you'll treat this like a hobby or a quiet rebellion against the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Because the people who win don't wait for permission. They start small this weekend. Track one number: how much money arrives without trading hours for dollars. In 5 years, that number might still be modest, or it might change everything. What will yours be?